In this video, I'm going to find a relation between the electric field and its potential. So to define this relation, I'm considering a test charge. I'm considering a charge plus Q, not test charge. Okay. So as we know, the electric field is going outward direction from this charge plus Q. And suppose I choose another charge, another test charge plus Q naught at somewhere point A inside the electric field of this source charge plus. Okay, so we want to study the potential difference from this point A to another point B, which we will choose. And suppose the potential at this point A is VA, which is equal to V. Okay. So now we move this plus Q naught charge to point A to a very small distance, infinitesimally small distance, dr, in this direction, vector dr, on this line. This is the line from plus Q naught charge to this charge Q naught. And I choose a very small distance, dr, from point A to this point B. So the potential at this point V is nothing but its VV is equals to V plus TV, a small variation in potential. So we choose the distance between these 2 points A and B is so small so that the electric field is almost constant between these 2 points A and B. Okay. So the external force which we use to move this test charge from this point A to B is in this direction. It is the direction of external force which we apply to move this test charge from point A to point B. Okay. So how much this external force is? How much this external force is? So this external force is nothing but is the amount of electric field. It's equal to the amount of this electric field at this point A. So the external force and the electric field have same direction, but they are different in the direction of electric field and this external force are different, but the magnitude is same. So we can write this the equation in which we can write the external force is nothing but it's a minus of force, electric force. Okay, electric force and external force are in opposite direction but same in magnitude. So if we put the value of this electric force in the form of electric field, nothing but minus Q naught of this electric field, which is F external. Okay. So what we are interested, we basically interested to find the work done to move a test charge from A to B by this external force. So the work done for moving a positive test charge from this point A to B can be defined as this external force into your vector displacement vector dr. Okay, so this equation will take form minus vector E Q naught into your dr. Okay, so we can write this work done exactly in the form minus Q naught E dot dr. Okay, so I'm giving a name, equation number 1. So there is another work done, not another work done, same work done, which can be defined in terms of potential. So this work done can also be defined in terms of potential, which is work done equal to charge into the potential difference between these 2 points A and B into potential difference. Okay. So in this case, we can write this charge Q naught into this potential difference, means potential at point B minus this point A. So which will give you nothing but BB, the potential at point BB, which is B plus dV minus V. So that is nothing but Q naught into D. Q naught into dV. So this is the work done. So now we can equate these two equations 1 and 2. So from here we can have minus q naught vector E dot dr is equals to q naught into dv. So we can remove this q naught and q naught. So we can have our equation which is dv is equals to minus of vector E dot dr. And this is the desired equation, and which gives the relation between the electric field and potential, which also can be written as VB minus VA, means potential difference is nothing but electric field with this your vector dr. Okay, so for this case, for our case which we choose, we can write this electric field as minus dv upon dr. So this is the differential form of this relation between electric field and your vector. It's not vector; it's the magnitude of this field. You know, it's magnitude of this field. And the integral form of this relation is something like V of R is equals to minus integration between A to B electric field E dot dr. So this is the basically relation between potential and the field. So this dV by dr is nothing but it's a potential gradient. We talk about this. What is this dV by dr? It can be defined as potential gradient, gradient, gradient. And the most general representation of this gradient is electric field is equals to minus gradient of this potential, minus gradient of this potential. It basically shows that what is the pictorial representation of this relationship. Means the electric field line from its source is actually diverging. Okay, so it is diverging in this direction, or we can say that electric field line takes place in the direction where potential decreases, where potential decreases. A gradient of this potential basically decreases. So electric field line takes in that direction. So you can choose a surface, scalar field surface or potential surface like here and here. So if you take the potential difference, yeah, so at this moment the potential will be large, V is large, and at this surface potential is less. So if you take potential difference, so electric field will take the, the direction where your potential basically decreases, where potential your decreases. So this is all about this relation. You can we can represent this relation in a better form in Cartesian. Suppose we choose a Cartesian coordinate. In Cartesian coordinate, we can represent our electric field such as Ex I cap plus Ey j cap plus Ez k cap, and our displacement vector which is dr such as dx I cap plus dy j cap plus dz k cap. Okay, so in this case the potential difference which is dv is minus Ex dx. If you take the dot product of E dot dr, so I cap element will be multiplied by this dx I cap, other part will get vanished, and minus Ey dy, and again it's minus Ez dz. So we can write the component, the x component of this field, nothing but by this minus del v over del x. It is the partial derivative of potential, and partial derivative means if we are differentiating the x component, the other component y and z kept constant, remains constant. And another one is Ey, which is minus del v over del y, and Ez, which is minus del v over del z. Okay, so this is all about the relation between this electric field and the potential, the electrical potential. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any query, then please write in the comment box. Thank you.